Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you've unplugged your Conga 2290 and placed it on a clean, stable surface. The tools required for this job include a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and if you're looking to do a thorough job, some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning purposes. Start by removing the dust container. Simply press the release button and lift it away. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Next, locate the screws that secure the back cover of the vacuum cleaner. Use your Phillips screwdriver to undo these screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the back cover off using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as the cover can be brittle. With the cover removed, you will now see the motor assembly. The motor brushes will be located either side of the motor shaft. Inspect the brushes for wear. A worn brush can severely affect performance. To replace the motor brushes, you will need to release them from their holders. This typically involves removing another set of screws. Ensure you use the right size spanner for these fastenings. After undoing the screws, gently pull the brushes out from their slots. Take note of their orientation, as you'll want to install the new brushes in the same manner. Now it's time to clean the internal components. Utilize the isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to wipe down the motor area and other surrounding parts. This helps prevent any debris from impeding the efficiency of your vacuum cleaner. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. It may be worth considering if you want to save time and ensure everything is in top working order. After cleaning, take your new motor brushes and insert them into the holders, ensuring they fit snugly. Replace the screws to secure them in place. Now, reattach the back cover carefully, making sure everything is aligned correctly before the screws are tightened. Remember, you should not force any components. Everything should fit together smoothly. Once the back cover is secured, it's time to replace the dust container. Simply align it and press it back into place until you hear a click, indicating it's secured. Finally, plug in your Conga 2290 and perform a quick test to ensure it's functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about transporting your device anywhere. Additionally, we provide quotes before repair, which allows you to consider options without any pressure. This detailed procedure should help you successfully change the motor brushes on your Conga 2290. Regular maintenance like this not only prolongs the lifespan of your vacuum cleaner, but also optimizes its efficiency. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.